When you purchase our MP4 series network analyzer, you will find one analyzer, a quick setup guide that can assist you during the initial setup, 4 mounting locks that you can use while installing the analyzer, and a clock battery inside the box. On the back of the device, there are connection points for current measurement, voltage measurement, communication, and power terminals, along with modules that add extra features to the device. At the top of the device, there is a battery compartment. Before mounting the device to the panel, we place the clock battery in the battery compartment. I'm placing the battery with the negative terminal facing the front and pushing it in. Then, the main faces need to be secured to the panel using the mounting locks. 2 of the mounting locks are used on the right side of the device, and the other 2 are used on the left side. The locking tabs are placed into the holes in the body, and then we pull them back to secure them in place. After that, the screws are tightened to secure the panel cover, and we pull it back to fit it into place. Then, the screws are tightened to secure the panel cover. We recommend installing the 4 mounting inputs to ensure IP54 protection. The order of connections in the cabling is up to your preference. Here, we are first making the voltage measurement connections. The voltage cables mounted on the bars should be connected to the voltage measurement terminal located at the bottom left of the device. The first 3 terminal inputs are for measuring the voltages of the 3 phases. The voltage lead from the first phase goes to input number 12. The voltage lead from the second phase goes to input number 13. We also connect the voltage lead from the third phase to input number 14. Input number 15 is used for measuring ground neutral voltage. We connect the neutral lead to input number 16. Let's make a connection. Here's an example. I'm opening the screw for input number 12, which is the input for the first phase voltage. I'm placing my cable, and I'm securing the connection. Secondly, power connections of the device need to be made. The supply terminals located at the top right corner of the device have the number 9 and 11 inputs, where the live and neutral leads from the grid are connected. DC, order irrelevant. DC, positive to 9, negative to 11. You can preferably make a parallel connection from the voltage measurement terminals. In DC models, it's important to connect the positive terminal to input number 9 and the negative terminal to input number 11. Next, we are making the connections for the current transformers. The secondary KL terminals of the current transformers are placed into the current terminals located at the top left corner of the MPR-4. Here, carefully noting the numbers on the back panel, we connect to input 1 and 2 to input 1. Transformer phase connects inputs 3, 4. Transformer second phase connects input 5. Connect phase transformer to input 2. Input 3 links to 6th. Third phase transformer to 6th input. The third to the 6th entry. We're placing the current transformer that measures the phase into the terminals. If you want to measure the neutral current, you can connect a current transformer to input 7 and 8. After the connection is completed, you can preferably secure it with the screws on the left and right of the terminal. You can connect a current transformer. Once the connection is complete, you can preferably secure it with the screws on the left and right of the terminal. If your device has communication features, connect to the RS485. Port bottom right. Connect in order. Ground, A, B, TR. The important point here is that the connection should be made in the order of ground, A, B, and TR. You can see this order on the back of the device. Finally, if you are going to use a module with the device, you plug the module socket into the connection point and secure the analyzer with the screw in the middle.